So what's up guys, in the previous class we have seen about margin, and in this class we will be looking at the padding. Okay, so when it comes to the padding is nothing but the space inside the element, and this is that main element, which is division, which is this one. And inside division we have two paragraph, which is this is the first paragraph and this is the second paragraph. Okay, so now let me show you how to make this thing work. Okay, so what I'll do is I will come to my Visual Studio Code and to the style, and to division element I'll be applying some properties. Now what I'll do is I will make use of padding. Okay, so padding is basically just like margin. Now let me show you how this padding is working. And if I'm just giving the value as 5 pixels, if I'm just saving this and refreshing this page, as can be seen, there is 5 pixels of space what is given over here, which is from the top 5 pixels and the bottom 5 pixels. And this padding of the 5 pixels have also been added from the left hand side and the right hand side, but as of now it is not visible. I don't know for what reason, but this is how padding is working. If I want to apply padding only to, from the top hand side, then I'll be saying padding from top, and from the top I will give the padding as 35 pixels. Okay, so this is how you could do. And if I'm just coming and refreshing this, then this is the 35 pixels of padding. And if I want to give from the left hand side, then I'll be saying padding left, and I will give the padding as 40 pixels. And I'm just saving this and refreshing, then this is the 40 pixels of the padding what I'm getting from the left hand side. Okay, so basically this is how padding thing is working. Padding is nothing but the internal space inside the element, and margin is external space, so how to give the spacing in between of the elements. Okay, so now if suppose I want to give the spacing between this paragraph and all, I could do that as well. Let me show you how to do that. Okay, so now I'll be applying properties to this two paragraph, which is paragraph 1 and paragraph 2. I'll be saying p dot p1. We have seen this previously how to do that, and I'll be also saying p dot p2, and I'll be also applying properties to this as well. Okay, so now I'll be giving the border to this first and second paragraph. So let me just copy this line. Okay, and I'll be pasting it over here and over here as well. But the thing is that I'll be making use of the different colors. I'll be making use of this red color over here, and for this I'll be making use of the yellow color. So now if I'm just saving this and refreshing my page, then this is how I'm getting the content over here. Okay, so now if I want to give the spacing between all these three elements, which is this is the division element, this is the paragraph p1 element, and this is paragraph p2 element. Now let me show you how to do that. Now what I'll do is I will be giving some spacing for this particular paragraph, the padding. So what I'll say is padding, I will give the padding of 10 pixels, and if I'm just saving and refreshing this, then I'm getting the padding of 10 pixels for this, and now it actually looks good. And if I want to give the padding for this, I'll be giving the padding as 25 pixels over here, and I will be saving and refreshing. So this is how I'm getting this thing. Okay, so now if I want to give the spacing between of these two elements, little bit of spacing, then what I could do is I can say margin hyphen bottom for this top element, and I could give some spacing, or I could say margin hyphen top for this paragraph p2, and I could use some top spacing. Okay, so what I'll do is I will apply that property on paragraph p1. I will say margin hyphen bottom, and I'll be giving the spacing as 30 pixels, and now I'll be getting 30 pixels of space over here. Okay, so if I'm just refreshing, then as can be seen, I'm getting 30 pixels of space. So basically this is how you could make use of the spacing. And if I want to give spacing over here, then I could do that as well. I would be saying margin hyphen it's on the right hand side, and from right hand side I'll pushing it to 30 pixels. just save it and refresh. Okay, so this is how you could mess with things, and the content inside will be adjusting itself automatically. Okay, so thanks for watching. This was the concept of margin, padding, and the classes. See you all guys in my next class.